Well, this is a dehumidifier for sale. It's pretty much as new as you can see from the photos. You just open that vent. It's got 3 modes. This is dehumidifying mode. You can probably hear that. This is clothes drying mode, which is like even stronger. And this is quiet mode, and that's a bit quieter. This is the tank overfill button and light, and this is the tank. You're probably not meant to open it while it's going, so maybe I'll turn that off. Actually, it turns off automatically anyway when you open the tank. And you can see some water down there, and that's about, I guess, probably about an hour and a half of dehumidifying. So it's a great little unit. It's as new, hardly been used. Happy bidding.